case from December 2023 called Laundry Pile. We have a pile of laundry: socks, shoes, underwear, pants, t-shirt, and hoodie, and comes all together in this big laundry pile. And in the first level, how many of the given piece of clothing are in the laundry pile? So first would be to get pants and look it up in my lookup table. And lock that, and then when you find it, return from the other side of the lookup table. Lock that. Copy it down. And then do the length of the laundry pile. Subtract the length of, what if you take the laundry pile and substitute P and replace it with nothing? Then it would be 15 shorter. So there were 15 pairs of pants. Copy that down. That all looks good. Okay, similarly, at what number in the laundry pile is the first instance? So I can copy this and paste it down. And this time I just want to find the text, find P within the laundry pile, and it will give me the first instance. Copy that down. Now level 3, at what number in the laundry pile do you make your first complete outfit? Socks and shoes come in pairs, so finding 1S, that's your socks are done, your shoes are done, and the order didn't matter. So this time I want to use some data tables, so I've set up my data tables already. This is where I'll take my data from, and let's go to here, look up that in this column. And when you find it, return from this column, which just got really big. So I need to go to row 99. That should be it. Okay. And if I spread this one out, okay, there's my laundry pile for example 3. I need my, or it'll be easier to remember if I have this. Okay, so I want to find socks, lock that column. In the laundry pile, lock that, and see where they start. There we go. And then find shoes, underwear, so on. And then I'll have a complete outfit at the maximum of those. And then create my data table. Get our answers and copy them in. And there we were, right here. Good. Level 4. At what number do you make your first complete outfit? So now socks before shoes, underwear before pants. So now they have to come in order, but they still, socks and shoes coming in pairs. So this time, if I copy this over, and let me change this to example 4. Now this time when I do a find, I still have to find the shoes, and within the laundry pile, lock that. But this time I have to find them after the socks, so put a starting number in there. And then this can be a sequence that should make it so that you can find the underwear before the pants. It doesn't look right. Oh yeah, okay. All right, so socks before shoes, underwear before pants, t-shirt before hoodie. So hoodie starts where t-shirt stopped. And your complete outfit will be at the maximum of those. And create a data table. Copy in the values. Okay, then for level 5, the pile is much bigger. And socks before shoes, but now we have right sock and left sock. So over here, need to update this. Let's make it, just start it right here. We have sock right, and then shoe right, and then we have sock left, and shoe left, and then underwear, pants, t-shirt, hoodie. Just update my data so that OR is a single entity. So let me get new names for this so I could do a find and replace. So X, Y, Z, and W, and then these are fine. Okay, so first step, I'm going to fix my laundry pile. So I'm going to substitute in my laundry pile, wherever I find SR, replace it with an X. Okay, good. So that looks like it's working. And then I should be able to copy this down so that now go to the previous, to the new version of the laundry pile. Wherever you find OR, replace it with a Y. And then replace sock left with Z, and then replace shoe left with W. Okay, so there's my new laundry piles. Then find sock right within the new laundry pile, lock that, and return. And then you have to find a shoe right, find a shoe right in the same laundry pile, but you need to find it after that one. Try that again. Oh, sock right, there we go. Okay, then those two I should be able to copy and paste here so that I find a sock left before a shoe left, and then find underwear before pants and t-shirt before hoodie, so that each time you're looking in the laundry pile and your second article, you're starting where the first article left off. Okay, that should work. That would be maximum of those. And get a data table. Let's put in our scores. Good, all right, on to the bonus questions. It's all working. Bonus question number 1 for levels 1 through 4. So the first two on levels 1 through 4. Which game has the most hoodies in the laundry pile? All right, can do that. So let's get all the laundry piles, put them on a bonus sheet. Oh, and let me, this is sequence. I've got up to 70 for that. So game 1, okay, game 10. And game 31. And for 51, Okay, there's all my laundry piles. Those should all be in column B. So then, which one has the most hoodies? Let's do the length of the laundry pile. Subtract off the length of, if we take all the H's out of the laundry pile. So in the text, your old text is an H, and substitute it with empty parentheses. And copy it down. And then look up the max, a big number in this. When you find it, return from this. And look for exact match or next smaller. Should be game number 10. Good. In those levels, using the rules of level 3, which game would you have to go through the most pieces before you complete an outfit? Okay, so I really just want to take all of those laundry piles and run them through using the rules of level 3. Most pieces before you complete an outfit. And that is what we were doing on level 3, right? Level 3. Yeah, okay. In which game would you have to go through the most pieces of clothing? So I want to redo level 3, but on these data. Okay, so here's where I did level 3. Let me just start one right here. Have this be game 1. Go from, there's 70 games in there, and this is going to be where I put my data table. Okay. I want to look up that game number in my new data, which is here, and then return the corresponding laundry pile, which is here. And level 3 was these. Copy it, put them right here, but point it to our new laundry pile. Fixed. And gotta update that on every one of these. And then it would be the max of those. Okay, let's see if I got all of this set up correctly. Do a data table. And in your column A1, oh, because it's not A1. My what if analysis data table, my cell is now this one. And then find the maximum of that. And here, return from this. Look for the next smaller value, and that will be game number 14. Let's see how it did. Yes. Okay, in level 5, which game would have the most complete outfits if all the pieces of clothing were used? Outfit 2 starts after outfit 1. You can't use anything. Okay, so we just have to do, like, repeat that process multiple times. Let's go to sheet number 1. And that's where I had my new laundry pile. Okay, and level 5, we're going to need these things. All my references are holding. Then I need to find my max. Okay, so the first laundry pile starts there. I guess the first laundry pile, let's do that. Okay. Then if I want to copy this, let's just do it one at a time. I'm going to find this and lock that column in my laundry pile lock. But now I want to start where the first one ended and lock that row. Okay, then this one, let's redo it. Find Y, lock that column within my laundry pile, lock both, starting at the previous number. Now those two I should be able to copy down. So I'm finding everything in pairs. Good. Oh, except there's going to come a point where I run out of laundry. So I have to go back and wrap all this in an if error. No, not yet. I can do that on my maximum. So let me take that off. Okay, maximum. And then copy all these over. Copy this over. Copy that over. And this is where I finally run out. Okay, so on my maximum, if there's an error, then return something I can query later, return a -1, and then I can pull that over. Perfect. All right, now, how many laundry piles was that? This was 1. That would be 2. Okay, so just have this be a sequence in columns, and I don't think I'll go past 20. I don't think I'll need 20. And then copy all of this over. And anytime I ran into an error, I got a -1 for the laundry pile. Okay. So now I can, let me find where my max is. I'm going to have to do this again. Okay. Level 5 was 30 laundry piles that started at 71. And I want to look up -1 in my list of piles and return from how many piles there were. Okay. Do that for all 30 of these. Data table. That's from A1 again. And then, what do they want? Which game would have the most? Okay, which game was that? So, look up the biggest number you can find in here, and when you find it, return from there. Oh, and look for the next smaller item. Game number 81. Got it.